Welcome back to week 3 of our sports nutrition research project. Today we're going to learn how to optimize nutrition for performance, focusing on determining the right nutrition strategy that can enhance your performance and recovery. Before we get into this week's topic, let's quickly review last week's information over the role carbohydrates have for endurance athletes. Last week, we explored the critical role carbohydrates play in sports performance. They are essential for providing energy, aiding recovery, supporting protein and muscle repair, regulating blood sugar levels, and maintaining cognitive function. Intake of carbohydrates before, during, and after competition can affect your performance as an athlete. We'll first move into how to build a balanced plate to support endurance athletes. As you have learned, carbohydrates are the primary fuel source for endurance athletes, meaning they should be the main focus at each meal. As you can see from this image, carbohydrates should take up half of your plate. This could be rice, potatoes, whole grain, pasta, or bread. A lean protein source should take up 1/4 of your plate. This could be chicken, ground turkey, ground beef, or deli meat. And fruits and vegetables should make up 1/4 of the remaining plate. The recommended daily carbohydrate intake for moderate to high-intensity athletes is 6 to 10 grams per kilogram of body weight each day. Now let's explore the importance of pre-competition nutrition. How to fuel before competition in order to provide the energy your body needs to perform at its best. Meals prior to competition should be consumed 3 to 4 hours before. They should consist primarily of carbohydrates and lean protein sources, with limiting fiber and fat. This visual aid is the same from the previous slide. Half of the plate is carbohydrates, 1/4 of the plate is protein, and the other 1/4 is fruits and vegetables. Next, we'll look at fueling during competition. Even if you have consumed adequate carbohydrates prior to competition, it's advised to consume carbohydrates during competitions that last greater than 60 minutes. It's recommended to consume anywhere from 30 to 60 grams of carbohydrates per hour after the 60-minute mark. Athletes should consume easily digestible simple carbohydrates. This could be sports drinks, energy gels, bananas, honey, or energy bars. With activities lasting less than an hour, carbohydrate rinsing may be beneficial. This consists of rinsing your mouth with a sports drink like Gatorade. This may give your body the energy boost it needs without causing GI discomfort. Now that we've discussed the importance of fueling during competition to maintain energy and performance, let's turn our attention to post-competition nutrition. This plays a crucial role in recovery and preparing your body for the next competition. After your activity, aim to consume a ratio of 4 to 1 grams of carbohydrates, which replenish glycogen stores, to protein, which aids in muscle repair and rebuilding. It's advised to consume this meal or snack within 1 hour after your competition. If you remember this from last week, this frame is called the glycogen synthesis window. This is when your body is most efficient at replenishing glycogen stores to kickstart recovery. Having covered the importance of proper fueling before, during, and after competition, here are a few do's and don'ts to be aware of, ensuring that your nutrition strategy supports your long-term performance and goals. Number 1, don't skip pre-event meals and snacks. Instead, prioritize a balanced meal 3 to 4 hours before competition. Number 2, don't not consume enough carbohydrates during the endurance events lasting greater than 60 minutes. Instead, consume 30 to 60 grams of simple carbohydrates per hour for events lasting greater than 60 minutes. Number 3, don't overload your meals on fat and fiber before your competition. Focus on a mix of complex and simple carbohydrates paired with a lean protein source. We want to thank you for joining us this week. If you haven't already, follow us on Instagram at UCM Sports Nutrition 25. We will be posting daily education clips about each week. I look forward to our last session next week. We will be reviewing the previous weeks.